In this lecture, we will see how we can reverse an Android application or APK file. Reversing is the process of transforming a compiled application back to something close to the original source code. It allows us to look for hard code secrets in applications, review the source code for security issues, and get a deeper understanding of the application logic. Now on the Santoku Linux, let's open Firefox web browser and search for a website called APK Pure, which will allow us to download the APK file of any application. Also open Google Play Store so we can choose any application to download. We will use this site to download any application from the store. Now let's choose any random application from the store. Let's for example search for Starbucks app. There are many apps here for Starbucks. Let's see more apps. Also there are too many apps here. Anyway, let's choose the first one. Secret menu for Starbucks. Well, you can choose any other app, whatever you want. I am choosing this app to show you how to reverse an Android application. The most important thing here is the package name. You will find it here. You need to know that every Android application has its own unique package name. Just copy it and go back to the APK Pure website. Paste the package name here and press search. I think it is the wanted application. Let's see if it is the same developer name on the Play Store. Yes, it is the same name, Sepia Software. Wait for the page to load. OK, click on the app name to download the APK file. You will find here a green button, Download APK. Just click it. Save file. OK. Now the APK file of that application has been downloaded. Let's open the download folder to check the APK file. Here it is. I will move it from here to the desktop. OK, let's change the name of the APK to make it easier. Let's say Android for example. Now we have an Android application or APK file and we want to reverse this app. The first thing that we need to do is to extract the APK file, and to extract it we should change its extension to zip. Now we have a compressed archive, so let's extract it. An Android application is an archive file of the data and resource files created while developing the application. Most APK files will have the same files and folders, like the Android manifest file, assets folder, and other folders that were created during development. You will find here also the resources folder, which contains the static content that your code uses, such as images, layout definitions, user interface strings, animation instructions, and more. You will find here many XML files, but you will not be able to view it until we reverse it. You can try to open one of them, but you will see nothing. If you tried for example to open the Android manifest file to see the permissions inside it, you will only see a compiled code. Well, forget about all of that and let's check the most important file, the classes.dex file. This file contains all the application source code. And to view the source code and other XML files in plain text format, you need to reverse the full APK file. But for now, let's reverse the most important file, the classes.dex file, to view the app source code. We will first convert the DEX file to jar format using the DEX to jar tool. You can use it directly from the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt and T, or you can just go to the Santoku tools from the reverse engineering menu, choose DEX to jar tool. The tool will convert the file from Delphic executable to Java code. Okay, here are all the tool options and how to use it. It is very easy to use. All that you need to do is to write dex to jar and give it the dex file to convert. So in this example we will type dex to jar. You can copy it easier. Make sure that you are on the desktop location first. Type cd desktop. OK. Paste dex to jar and add the dex file name classes.dex. Then hit enter. Okay, the tool is now working on converting the Delphic file to Java. So we will give the tool some time to convert all the files. Okay, great. The conversion process has been finished. You will find that there is a new jar file created here on the desktop. Now to view the source code of this application, you need to use a tool called JDGUI. Go to the Santoku tools. From reverse engineering tools, you will find a tool called JDGUI. Open it. The tool is very easy to use and it has a graphical user interface. All that you need to do here is to open that jar file with this tool. Click the open icon and choose the converted jar file. Here is the converted file. Choose it and click open. As you can see, the file has been opened. Let's check the content of this file. You can see now all the source code files here, which means that we were able to reverse this application successfully. Android applications usually contain various security vulnerabilities, most of the time due to a developer's mistakes and ignorance of secure coding practices. By reviewing the source code, you may find security issues, misconfigurations, and sometimes you may find sensitive data such as database connection or user credentials. And this is how you can reverse an Android application or APK file.